Okay, folks, here we go. I'm so appreciative of the 1,000 subs. I really appreciate everybody who goes out there and watches my videos and takes the time to comment, comes to our live streams and engages with Mrs. Talking Bullion and myself every week. We just so appreciate everyone, and I think you're going to see it by the stuff that we're giving away. So let's get this thing started. So what we're going to have is we're going to have 4 winners and 2 alternates. And the alternates are going to win a prize as well. Now, just keep in mind the alternates can't win twice. So if they end up needing to be picked for one of the prizes above them, so then we will just give them the prize that they won and not send them the alternate prize. So anyway, let's take a look at the alternate prizes first. There will be 2 of them, 2 alternates. And with them, we're going to do a Mercury Dime. So 1 for each alternate. So these are pretty nice looking dimes, not bad. Some classic Mercuries. And I got my camera up pretty high here because I want to try to get everything on the screen at the same time. So each alternate will get a dime unless they end up winning the prize because the person doesn't respond. Alright, so that's pretty cool. A lot of times the alternates don't get anything, but I want to make sure that they get something. So next, so the 4th prize win is going to be this beautiful toned 1921 Morgan silver dollar. Look at how beautiful that is, huh? I just love the toning on it. Honestly, folks, I tend to give away the things that I love because I figure you'll love them as well. And I don't want to give you the scraps. I want you guys sitting at the table eating the meat with me. And that's why I do this, because I want you guys to have the good stuff too. So it's got a little bit of wear on it, but the toning is absolutely gorgeous. So that's the 4th place prize. We'll set that right down here. Pretty nice, huh? I don't think you can go wrong with a Morgan silver dollar. So the 3rd place prize is going to be this 1 ounce YPS, which stands for Yeager poured silver, heart. You can see here it says 999 fine silver troy ounce. And it's beautiful. This was actually given to me as a gift from Silver Giveaways. And they gave it to me quite a while ago, sent it to me in the mail. And I've decided to just turn around and give it away to somebody else. But as you guys know, Yeager poured silver is a classic pourer. And usually gets a little bit of premium for the stuff. So I'm keeping it in the original package that it was sent to me in. And I think somebody would love to have this heart. An ounce of fine silver. Alright, so that is the 3rd place prize. Next up, like the 4th place prize in the alternates, most people know me as the junk silver guy. Constitutional silver, 90%, call it what you will. So like the Morgan, which is also constitutional silver, and the Mercury Dimes, I am offering for the 2nd place prize. You ready for this? A tube of 90% silver Roosevelt Dimes. So what do you think about that? Now, as you know, I know a lot of people like the Mercuries, but the Roosevelts actually usually almost always have more silver in them than the Mercuries. So this is actually a better deal. So I would say that if I had a choice under most circumstances, I would take the Roosevelt Dimes. As you can see here, it's filling up that tube pretty high, and 50 of them in a tube. So 2nd place prize will win 3.575 ounces of silver, which is what's in this tube. What do you think about that, huh? Pretty cool. And the 1st place prize is going to get one of the coveted. Very few people have one of these. I saved them off for a reason. You're going to get the coveted Talking Bullion round. 1.13 troy ounces. Number 10. Number 10 for the 1,000 sub giveaway. And this is a classic, folks. This is made by Backyard Bullion over there in the UK. It was sent off to Edinburgh for the hallmarking, which is what these symbols are at the bottom. and then shipped to me over here in the US. And here's the cert. You get the cert with it as well. 1.13 ounces Troy, 999 fine silver, Hallmarked in Edinburgh, serial number 10. So folks, this is the first place prize. So what do you think, huh? I think you guys are going to like this. We've got a 1, 4, 5, I don't know. I didn't count up ahead of time, but over 6 ounces of silver we're giving away here. And I think it's some pretty cool stuff. Like I said, I'm not trying to give away stuff that I don't want. It's exactly the opposite. This is all stuff I love. And actually it's a little painful to kind of give it up. But this, I'm just trying to show you guys how much I really appreciate my subs. And your time's valuable. And I know that for you to spend 5-10 minutes watching a video of mine, that's 5-10 minutes you could be doing something else. And we really appreciate you guys. And we're just trying to show you that. So how do you win? Well, you have to make a comment on this video. You have to like the video. And you have to be a subscriber. Now in the past I've been a little lenient on being able to verify my subs. But I need to verify that you're a subscriber, because it's not fair for you to claim that you're a subscriber if I can't verify it. And this is a 1,000 sub giveaway. So you need to be able to make sure that I can verify that you're a subscriber to my channel. And that's what's required. So subscription, a like, and a comment. And I'll leave this running for several days. I'm recording this video at a time when I'm not sure when I'm going to actually post it. I hope to post it soon. But honestly, there's a couple other things going on YouTube where other people are giving some things away. And I really don't want to step on their toes. I want them to have the spotlight. They're generating some buzz about their giveaways coming up. And I don't want to come in the middle of that. So I'm going to kind of, I think, wait for that to happen and let that kind of settle down, and then I'll announce mine. So that's why I can't give you a date like this Friday or throw a date out there, because I'm not sure when it's going to be. But when I put it out there, I plan to leave it out there for about 5 days and then shut it down. So I want to give people time, and I would do the classic comment picker. I'll post a video with a comment picker showing everybody who won. And get excited, folks. Tell your friends about my channel, because this is some good stuff. And everybody receiving something off this giveaway should be very excited and happy. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for tuning in. And as I always say, let's keep talking bullion.